How to fix unable to initiate call? Please try again in WhatsApp Android. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't make any mistakes during the process. First of all, you need to check the internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the stable internet connection. If you don't have Wi-Fi connected, then you can switch to mobile data and turn on the mobile data. Then after that, you need to go to Play Store. Once you're on the Play Store, you need to search for update of WhatsApp. Not updating the WhatsApp application might be the reason why you are not able to initiate calls. So you need to tap on update button if there is any and update your app. This will fix some of the glitches and bugs that is on the applications. Once done, go to the settings and then you have to scroll and select apps. Now choose App Management and with the help of the search bar at the top, search WhatsApp. Open the app info page of WhatsApp and then you need to tap on storage uses and clear the cache of WhatsApp application. Though this is simple to clear cache, but this will fix many issues regarding the applications and this will help us to initiate calls and fix the problem of unable to initiate calls. Please try again in WhatsApp. If this way also did not help you to resolve your issue, then there might be issue on your phone itself. So you need to simply tap and hold or hold your power button and you need to restart your device. Restarting your device will fix unable to initiate call. Please try again issue in WhatsApp Android devices. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more updates. Thank you and see you in the next video.